Here's a new 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It's well equipped with the features you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Automatic with driver control suspension management. Automatic transmission. Hands-free liftgate. Streaming audio. Wi-Fi hotspot. Dual zone climate control. External memory control. Power tilting steering column. Memory exterior door mirror settings. And integrated navigation system with voice activation. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.